You know, I just realized that I might be able to do that. I don't know. I think I just did. You know, if I put zoom on my snapshot camera, it might do that to the video because it won't let me otherwise. Yeah, I think it just did. I'm a genius, everyone. After you guys had to suffer through the really bad shots from over here. Yes, that's the water thing that I was talking about earlier. See all the land over there? Playground from earlier. I got some shots of the geese closer up, another shot of the water closer up. So, I'm probably going to slideshow that, put it to some random music, and post it again. Pretty darn cool. Keep looking. Shadows! And shadow. I think it went back. I don't know. Aha, observation deck thingy. And lots of homes for walk. But it's still spraying. That is pretty darn awesome. Oh look, the wind's like pushing it. Can you see that? See how the water's doing that? That's because there's so much wind going that way. That's pretty darn cool. By that is the deck, I believe. Just like stare at the water for a mesmerizing moment.
20 years ago.
It's very windy. Oh, that's when I think that's the key thing. So we can adjust, and that's the little island thing we were talking about a minute ago. Yeah, and blowing hair away. That clicking sound is adjust. And they're happy tonight.
Sometimes when you video watch, try to have this here. You never know, it can slip out of your hand.
True.
Yeah,
just a minute, everyone, as I try doing that. Yeah, because I'm required.
Chances of soaking out your camera. Or smashing shit over you.
So if a goose came and tried to kill me, it wouldn't smash. But I would. That's great. It's just awesome.
I'm out of stock and inventory now. Charles has one, my mom's got one. I'm down to one myself.
Yeah.
I don't have much. I don't have any stock.
Here, flying here. Alrighty. That's cool. Oh, look, Tulsa Park's trash can. Anybody care about that? Oh, Tulsa Park. Yes, everyone. It is a trash can. Trash can. Turn the head. Trash can. Whoa.
Identify where you're at.
Tulsa Park. Trash. La la la. That's pretty cool in that observation area, though. Yeah. I think something was eating me. Drop on the floor. Yeah, this is on Zoom just because I zoomed in on the camera thing. I should have done that like a long time ago.
Well, the first time I tried it seemed like I was locked in position, and one time I was videoing Bonneville Mill waterfall. Nothing. It did do zoom in the first. Sometimes I thought I was like locked up. You know, once you're fixed, you couldn't zoom in and out of the video mode. That seemed like it. And then started doing it. So I had the same question myself.
It wouldn't let me at all. I've tried it many times. Now if you go into the camera, still put your zoom. Go back to my video. It should take forever, especially if it's like an epic moment. My hair's in my mouth, that's nasty. Raisins! So yeah, I'm guessing we are so fascinated with that part. I bet you guys count how many times they tell me. Wait a minute, you'll probably not even get to this part of the video. I'll put it in the